Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to change cartridges in this machine called HP DeskJet Ink Advantage 3835. Okay, very simple steps. There's a clip here, you just do that. Then there's this, press that. Once you do that, the cartridge is gonna roll into your direction. So you can see this station. Then you come here and press this, just like that. Take out this, put it aside, and press this, put it aside. You get your black, put it in and press it to click keep. Get your color, press it and put that. So when you close that, okay, there's something I wanted to check. You close that and you close this. Then you can start making your copy. Simple, done. Thanks for watching guys, and hope to see you in the next video.